Hello, doctor. My name is SUN YUNSHAN. My project is about to sustaining traditional craft SMEs in the commercial era, a secondary data case of Jiangnan Shihua. Actually, traditional craft today is not about not losing the scale. It also needs to be a stable business. Handmade items usually take more time and depend on the skilled labor, while the market is fast and customer will compare online. In this presentation, I will use Taobao SME case named Jiangnan Shihua like this picture and explain 5 key secondary data items. Then I will give 3 useful recommendations. So this is SME is a small craft business selling Ronghua style accessories. Compared with mass products, the value comes from materials and hand process. So capacity is limited and the quality control is important. At the same time, these products are style-driven and young consumers decide quickly based on design, reviews, delivery speed, and customer service. So it is a good case to show how traditional and market can be balanced. So this is top 3 product in the store. Here, all data is secondary data. First, I use platform visible metrics from Taobao, the Chinese app like Lazada, to measure demand and store performance. Second, I use public craft process evidence and the material price listing to explain labor intensity and cost supply risk. Then I connect this data to sustainability and traditional retention. Data 1, I will use top 3 products like as I recommend for craft goods. Sold alone is not enough because many people save first interest and 7 days showing outgoing attention. Data 2, store metrics because handmade products have information gaps. Service signal like fast replies and reliable delivery help customers feel safe to place orders. Data 3 explains the production reality. The craft needs multiple steps and time, so output cannot scale fast and the quality relies on skilled hands. Data 4 defines traditional retention in observable terms. Traditional materials and technique, plus how the craft is translated in the model variable like earnings, purchase, and helping as I recommend the top 3 products in this store. Finally, data 5 fix on cost and supply for handmade craft. Labor time is not easy to reduce and the material price can change. If material costs rise and the sourcing becomes unstable, it affects pricing and the delivery time. This is why sustainability there is strongly connected to supply routines, not only culture storytelling. Putting the 5 data items together, we see one clear chain. Demand extends but buyers compare and wait. Service metrics help convert them. At the same time, the craft process limit capacity and requires skills. So quality cannot be scale-fared. Cost and supply factor explain why processing and delivery are sensitive. So the best approach is keep the craft core while making the business system more stable. My recommendations are useful. First, build a best-seller series and clear price tiers so production can and the position becomes stable. Second, attract young consumers with simple content showing case tips, daily warning signals, and clear care tips so they understand the value quickly. Third, manage cost and supply with standard materials, pre-orders for complex press, and small batch procurement to reduce MOQ and press risks. Overall, this helps the craft stay traditional in its core but sustainable in the market. This is all my project. Thank you for listening.